Hey guys, I'm gonna make a pretty freaking hilarious video. Trust me, it's freaking hilarious. The actual description. Okay guys, so let's get to the actual description of the video. And this video, you know how I did like a crazy dramatic video about 4? Well, this time it's where I make 2, like, make it sound like 2 stomachs growling during PFP. It's gonna sound so funny, guys. You're gonna laugh so hard. Yeah. You're gonna laugh your little head off. Beyond the stomach rumble. Guys, I hope you enjoy. I seriously can't stop laughing at, like, reacting the way I am right now. It's just as funny as watching, like, a hilarious video on TikTok, like, get the body shake! Let's move on with this dramatic story. It all started off like this.
I'm not hungry. What's the meaning? I'm so hungry because I didn't know them. Oh no, I'm so hungry right now. No. Oh, hey, not eating.
Oh god, why is so my bad food now?
A long time ago, before 2 came along.
I've missed you.
Good to see you, X. But what is this thing?
No, boy, David was eliminated while you were gone. We can't let him get away.
You did BFB while I was gone. Good job. Well, how else?
Wait for. First, you have to recover our dead friends.
Sure thing.
Okay.
Another time with X before 2 came along.
Also safe. Wait, did I miss up? Oh no! Basketball! Last team to finish loses. No!
What do we do?
Oh, right. Throw balls into your team basket to weigh it down. When it touches the buzzer, you're safe.
When 2 arrived.
What about us? We want limitless power too.
Oh, but they're so. So many of you.
Please? Please?
Fine, but I'll only allow one of.
When 2 started his own show, and little did he know, his stomach started growling in the middle of it.
Wait, why are we doing cake and steak?
Don't worry, I'll remind you. Last time, 59,151 voters voted on these 26 newbies. So that one of them could join all 40 other people and compete for the So let's get started. If you got the most votes, you get to join. Get this purple tomato. Everyone got at least 200 votes. That's good to know. Just hit
Don't look at it that way. Over 100 people liked you more than anyone.
You're right.
Here, now you can tell them how thankful you are.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Gaming Aiden, Weber Gaming, Maurice
Hurry
Yu,
up.
Capsocky, Broken, _Baker Bakey, _ the Alpha Force, Balloons,
I said hurry up.
and Rootsy Lizzie Dane. Whew. Okay.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye then. Now, let's see who else won't be joining the game. Shampoo, you only got 240 votes, so you're out too.
240? I want to thank my voters, too. Kids Review Toys. AZ
Nope, stop
Plays. Zoopeka.
Zinky, Sizzy, and Drummy, none of you made the cut.
Hey, I make cuts all the time.
Shelly, Mikey, and Clappy?
Looks like it's
curtains. Right, sorry about that.
See you in post-production.
Now, everyone left got at least 1,000 votes.
You're not joking this time, right?
Don't you trust me, Clock?
Of course not.
Well, prepare to get over it because Leak got 1,014 votes.
Aw, no nickname for me?
You're not leaking, are you? Nineball, you only got 1,033 votes.
That number sounds hard to spell. Not that I would care about that.
Cammy, Blendy, and only Gary, you didn't gain either.
This is embarrassing. Hide me.
Now there's just 13 of you left. We're halfway through.
Finally.
Oh, ho, ho, eager now, are we?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna make you wait for it. Disky's out. No more waiting.
Wait.
VHSE, Taxi, Salty Lampy, and PEDEAE. You guys didn't get any ethery.
You'll pay for this too.
Yeah, and we won't help you figure out how much.
You think I need help? I know how to use a pencil.